C in 100 seconds, doubly linked lists. Watch the struct on line 4. See 2 pointers instead of 1. Line 6 is previous. Line 7 is next. Each node can reach both its neighbors. See create node on line 10. Notice both previous and next start as new LL on lines 13 and 14. 2 pointers to initialize instead of 1. Watch print forward on line 18, same traversal as a singly linked list. Follow next until new L. The double arrow in the output shows the two-way connection. Now see print backward on line 28. Watch line 33. Instead of C equals C arrow. Next, we follow C arrow previous same loop, opposite direction. Watch insert head on line 38. See line 41. That is the extra step. After linking N arrow next to head, we also set head arrow previous to N. Both directions must be wired. See delete node on line 51. Watch lines 55 and 57. 2 rewires instead of 1. The previous node skips forward, and the next node skips backward. Then we free the target. Watch main on line 70. We create 20, prepend 10, then manually append 30 by wiring both tail arrow next and N30 arrow previous. See the print calls. Forward and backward show the same data in opposite order. Then we delete 20 from the middle and print both directions again. See the output. Forward shows 10, 20, 30. Backward shows 30, 20, 10. After deleting 20, Both directions confirm 10 and 30 are directly linked. 2 pointers, 2 directions. Next up, stacks.